This is the 5th day of the journey from Valdivia to the Galapagos. The morning of, it's a little after 8, about 8:30. It was a rough night. We had real choppy seas, gusts up to 30 miles an hour, 35 knots. So we had to reef the sails in. Sven's out front. And now the winds have died down significantly. We've got the sails fully deployed again, as you can see here. And so we're sailing along at a pretty good clip, 7.9 knots. And you can see the wind speeds there, about 12.6 true wind speed and 15 for apparent wind speed, and we're doing 7.1 knots. So it seems that the gusts and the winds have subsided. The seas have calmed down significantly, and so it's a lot smoother ride right now than it was last night. So we're making good time. We've diverted back a little bit to the west to get back on track. That's the report.